Hello, my name is Mohales Deis, and we are group number 9, the Green Warriors. Today we're here to present the green audit and green plan that we have developed for Miami Crab Corporation. Before we continue, I would like for my group members to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Augoustis.
Hi, I'm Sophia Sookdeo. I'm Zuleydi Gonzalez.
I'm Cruz.
I'm Elaine Hernandez.
And I'm Orlando Cajamarca.
And I'm going to introduce Richard G. Sante, the President and CEO of Miami Crab Corporation.
Good day, and thank you for your interest in Miami Crab Company. My name is Richard Sante, President and founder of Miami Crab Corporation. Started in 1993 as a seafood specialist dedicated to the crab industry. To excel in this one single category of the seafood industry, we've devoted ourselves wholeheartedly to making our products better by simply enjoying our customers' opinions about our product and letting them tell us how to go and how to fulfill market demands. So we are crab specialists as a subsector, if you will, of the seafood industry, which is part, of course, of the greater protein industry in the food world. Our dedication to crab has allowed us to participate in many of the developments, technical developments throughout the years since we've established ourselves. And one of them has been, of course, focusing on how to make our products more appealing to those customers that are oriented towards understanding the limitations of our planet, in being kind to our planet, in being respectful of our resources that are given to us for our stewardship, and that is in respect to how our products are processed. Well, we can always start right down at the fishery level. Take, for example, crabs. The crab, by the way, that we work with is the tropical blue crab. Now, I'm sure all of you have seen photographs or pictures or even films of crab in the big pots and in the big ships that go out and in the Alaska cold waters. No. That's not what we do. We do warm water crabs from the tropical regions of the world. These fishermen go out into the placid ocean in very small boats in one day. These are inshore fisheries, not offshore fisheries. So right there you have a huge savings in fuel. You're bringing a catch to the packing plant that is going to be processed, and the byproducts of that process is a shell. That's the crab shell. You extract the meat, which is the edible part, and you discard the shell, which is pure calcium. That pure calcium is in many cases ground up and used as either fertilizer in its cheapest form, or it can even be ground up and used in animal feed, for example, chicken feed, for example, to feed the chickens to improve the calcium in the diet of for example, laying eggs that are going to lay eggs, for example. It is even used as an ingredient in cosmetics by further processing. So we're looking at a product that is wholesome and 100% recyclable. Of course, the meat part is edible, and that's the part that we market. And we market it nationwide in various forms, in various packaging, appealing to both the food service sector segment of the market as well as the retail segment of the market. And I just have here some products to illustrate. Take, for example, our packaging, which is a polyethylene cup, polyethylene lid, fully recyclable. In this case, this is a metal tin. It's 100% steel. And on the side here, of course, it says, please recycle steel. Other type of packaging, different types of plastics. This would be for the retail market. Again, it's 100% recyclable. So all of our products are, first of all, have no contamination whatsoever in the processing. It's 100% recyclable materials. And this is how we let our customers know that when they're buying our products, they are causing no harm whatsoever to nature because of the quality of our products being 100% natural. We're pride ourselves in making our products more appealing to those customers that really care. Well, thank you so much for this opportunity to let you know about our products. If you have any questions, my name again is Richard Sante. Please feel free to contact me anytime. I'd love to hear from you. You have a great day.
To start, Miami Crab is a corporation that has some probable areas where its energy consumption may have become a waste in energy. The Miami Crab Corporation is housed in a commercial building. Typical energy consumption that is used on a daily basis would include lighting, air conditioning, and the powering of appliances and electronics. Most energy and consumption that Miami crab uses can be considered a waste. This is because they do not use the Energy Star approved products. For example, the use of standard incandescent light bulbs to light up the offices uses up about 75% more energy and produces 75% more heat. This in turn increases energy costs associated with the cooling in the offices. Also, incandescent light bulbs cannot be recycled, thus creating more waste for the environment. In addition, the Miami crab uses a lot of energy by its continuous use of a giant generator that gives electricity to the company's servers. By not implementing energy-efficient generators to help power the building, the company is essentially wasting energy and money that could be used somewhere else. Second, what type of energy does the Miami crab uses? Miami crab has the same power consumption as any other commercial. Their energy use consists of typical usage from lighting and air conditioning to powering the refrigerator and microwave in the company lunchroom. A lot of their energy consumption is derived from the use of office equipment such as computers, printers, fax machines, and a copy machine. All this equipment will add to their electronic bill and will make its mark on energy use. Most of the energy they waste is on a generator that is located in the headquarters building, and it gives electricity to the company computer service in case of a power outage. They also have various computer power surge backup systems in case there is no power for the computers that they use to run their business. Because Miami crab outsources, they do not have to worry about a huge electricity bill with regards for the freezer because they have everything shipped in. Okay.
Miami Crab Corporation could reduce its energy needs by conducting a commercial building energy audit. A commercial building energy audit is a study which helps identify opportunities of the building's energy using equipment. The audit identifies potential saving measures by observing the building's lighting systems, HVAC systems and controls, compressed air systems, renewable energy applications, electric motors and drives, process systems, steam systems, heat recovery, building envelope upgrades, and possibly switching utility providers. By conducting a commercial building audit, an energy auditor can come out to the building and interview facility members, inspects lighting, air conditioning, heating, and ventilation equipment, controls air compressors, water-consuming equipment, and anything else that uses this energy. The auditor will develop a list of energy conservation measures that could reduce energy usage and costs in the building. Depending on the building energy audit, the auditor will then figure out the potential savings for each measure and costs it would take to implement each suggestive measure. By conducting a building energy audit, Miami Crab Corporation is able to recapture or recycle energy by implementing suggestive measures such as using Energy Star approved products that will help lower the company's energy costs as well as its operating costs. Especially in the economy that we live in today, it is important for a company such as Miami Crab to keep its operating costs to a minimum and getting rid of unnecessary expenditures. Miami Crab's goal is to run an efficient building that will not overpay in utilities for energy.
Just like every company, there are things that they need to improve. One of the things is transportation and transporting the crab meat to the actual distribution location. The crab meat is imported from various parts of the world, and so transportation, travel, and telecommuting for the product can be a bit harmful to the environment. Not only is importing the products a burden on the environment, but sending employees to those countries to make business can create a large carbon footprint. The company uses cargo planes to ship the crab meat from different parts of the world, and they use delivery trucks services nationwide as well as cargo planes to deliver and transport their products to their customers. Both of these methods are harmful to the environment because they create exhaust. They can minimize the effect they have in the environment by taking fewer shipments, larger cargo loads, and getting suppliers from one source instead of multiple. This will also reduce the amount of fuel and gases they release that releases carbon emissions into the air.